slide will still be the guest lead. This is where we belong. This is where we belong.
Go on.
You're young. You don't have enough money to save so don't save.
Yeah, how do you get to the next paycheck?
Yeah.
Forget it.
Yeah.
Don't save. Don't do
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
But you're young and you have the energy to go do things that are adventures and that are lifetime things. Like his college roommate went and did the backpack across Europe and all that. And he didn't because he was saving, and he's like, that guy had something he'll never forget. And I didn't have that because I didn't go.
Different plans for us. That little mouse ate our wiring harness.
That I camp with, and they can only camp. Okay, so I said, well, I'm going to, we want to come.
Get her, Harry. Get her. Get her.
Now everything's left. More trees gotta come down. Which
I think one of the best things we ever bought was the brush hogging catcher for the skid loader. That thing is gnarly, but it just, places. It's the grapple bucket, we got the, tree puller, and we got the...
and he's got the trees. Yeah.
They cook all their food up and then dehydrate or freeze dry or whatever. Everything's made, and then they package up their own spices and powders and all. You're literally, and sometimes she'll cold, where she'll just put the water in there, and then when they're hiking, it just rehydrates her stuff, and then she eats it
That's what
cold.
we did. When we did section 6 of the Colorado Trail, our lunches were cold soaked. Just so you don't have.
In my opinion, one of the best dogs, for us. But and I'm in the back. I'm paddling the canoe from the back. Jackie's in the front. She can't see what's going on. I'm thinking this dog is just going to love the water. He flops out of the canoe and he's ordered
water bottle.
2 of them.
There's a couple different ones.
Lot.
See, this is what I say.
Recently,
34 ounce comes with a water bottle, a sleeve, so you can carry it with you, and then
Better.
a cup for a home. You have to.
Put your hydrogen water in it. But I haven't, cured it in
Yum.
Healthier.
I like these two.
Yeah, they are not doing ourselves a favor by using those.
Ooh.
5. So I think we lucked out. Then we showering from that. It was 30 gallons per minute.
I like the taste of them better. They're stronger.
I'm really hoping that living in Missouri, I believe the water. And we fill up all our little 1 gallon containers with about
Just like
20
them.
of them.
Is it a...
You're gonna want more than that then. Sure.
Mary knows how to dress for filming. Orange and blue, teal and orange. Always pops better on. You got the orange and...
You know what? For that, I'm gonna drink that cup of coffee.
Nope, that's my coffee. I did the water. You get the second one.
So should I make?
An amazing view when that sun came up. And you didn't see it, did you?
I did.
Oh, okay.
See that window?
You can kind of put in where you're at and it'll show you.
So I went online, my sunrise I'm talking about. So if I had equipment.
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
Isn't it no?
A ring choke. What does that do?
So it's, well, you put the cable around the tree
So it's a choker.
and then it hooks back into itself and then it goes through the ring and then it'll self-sync, as you back up. Put the
Yes.
pressure.
It was tough to have along.
Yeah, my bike, I take I have
Knock me out.
a trike.
Get
That's
back.
not a throwing stick.
Get back.
Doing that.
I know, it's just so wild in the morning.
No, it's not great. So it's a little hard to in the back. I'll tell you what, you get your exercise on that thing because its wheels are small.
Don't go that way.
3 weeks or so.
What was that?
For a couple of weeks.
Yeah, she'll do that.
Let us know.
She's gonna have a spot tractor, so she can do the satellite.
I'm gonna live through you vicariously.
Andrew invited us to go. I'm not
would've
walking
tried it.
9,000
I would've
miles.
tried it.
You wouldn't have.
Take that much time off of work. I would have tried it to say you were able to do it.
I kind of wish I would have done the Santiago trail.
Oh yeah, the Cana.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's not.
Nah.
I was ramped up to do it in 2020. My friend and I, at the end of Rio, something that we can take for the first time. He's actually.
Right now, are you keeping up with him?
He's doing the Appalachian Trail.
Oh yeah.
That's
Yeah, and he's
how old
almost
is he?
finished. He's 90,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and
That's
he's going for
insane.
the record on the
That's
Appalachian Trail.
insane.
We've done things. We got more to
That was
do.
part of what that book said too. Is, you got to get out and do
You
the
gotta
things
just-
that your age will allow you to do when you can do them, and not wait until you're.
What I told Jason, I said just sell them.
Get it, Lou, get it.
I had a mortgage. I had a job.
Never had anybody to do that with.
Yeah.
That's a first for her.
You don't pay on that though, right?
Well, they don't.
Get her, Harry. Get her. Get her. Get her. No, we're not playing sticks. Play with your friend.
Yeah, they are. You know, like that brain-looking one, it's not good for you. It
Oh,
won't kill you.
oh.
It's just gonna make you. Drop the kayak trailer manufacturer. You just have to find a dog sitter. Yeah.
That was one of
Yeah, take it on the.
summer camp.
Yeah, because you could take it. I think you could take that on the boat.
Yeah, you can. You take your boat up.
So she was like, you have to wait. Where's
Did you get the
Is there a critter in there? There is.
You got it. The way you do them is you cut them in.
Safe travels, love you. Haven't talked much. This is a quick one-nighter. We left More Expo yesterday. Amazing weekend on that. We wanted to see a couple of our Missouri friends on our way out. Stopped and saw my grandmother and dad last night. I'll put a picture in. Visited with them for a while.
Get one of these
An
and put it
LED.
right there.
No, he wants an overhead light.
He's not getting it as long as I'm
Well, he's
alive.
not getting it. Not now,
Not
no.
my
Visited with them for a while. Stopped and saw some of our old subscriber friends, Carrie and Don, that we met years ago camping and doing YouTube. And they've been great friends ever since. Same with Jackie and Andrew and Mary. Always fun meeting everybody and seeing them when you can. You pick up just where you left off.
And now we're just trying to pack up, make a little snack to eat. So just gonna
Hold on.
make a bagel with a little bit of pimento cheese.
Yeah, we still have some of the sourdough bagels. Made a couple sandwiches for the road for later. We got 5.5, 6 hours to go.
Enjoy the nice cool weather. It's beautiful out.
Yeah, I mean, amazing weather. We slept great last night. We hung out by the campfire with them. This will be a short video. I got a little bit of footage for you. Hope you enjoyed just coming along. Just a quick one. Can't always be, you know, super great videos. I still think it's great because it was us hanging out with our friends and you guys as well. Didn't do a lot of cooking. Mary always feeds us really good. Jackie is great with the baked goods. Those cupcakes were amazing.
German chocolate cupcakes.
Oh, is that what they were? German chocolate?
Yeah, and if you see her on Facebook, it is Stella's
Sweets by Stella.
Jackie, love them. Check her out. She does some awesome sourdough breads. She does, if you're in the Arkansas area, she does cookie and cupcake classes.
Well, they're moving to Arkansas. They're working on some off-grid property. They're up by Missouri right now, so we will get the rest of this packed up and have our lunch. This is Ray Behrens Campground. It's a Corps of Engineer campground. It's right on the lake down here. Beautiful. This site was beautiful. It's site 17, wide open. They tent camped with us on the same site, and Mary was on, I think, probably site 18. Electric. There's showers. Real clean, very woody and spacious sites. Jackie's getting ready to do the Colorado Trail next month or in June, so she was testing out her tent setup and all that here with us. So just a quick one-nighter. Sometimes you just do it. People that we don't know here are camping near us. We're like, oh, you're already leaving? Yeah, we're just traveling and stopping and seeing friends and getting a one-nighter in. That's what you got to do sometimes. A couple hours by the campfire with your friends, drinks and food.
Enough to recharge you to start back that work week. So.
Well, and those are memories that you'll have. Every little trip matters. It doesn't always have to be a big long trip. So
yeah,
it's a little toasty there.
That's I think this is hot sauce, some kind of hot sauce cheese that Jason got.
Oh, that's these bagels. Oh, better get Lou back in.
A little smoking hot. Literally.
Oh, yeah, and Lulu met her new best friend, Harry, Andrew and Jackie's dog. Oh my God, they had so much fun, and she just loved him. So definitely be doing more stuff with them when we can. Get the dogs together.
No way, Mrs.
Should I have some? Wait, I want to put that on mine. Got one for the road. Nothing fancy, just turkey and, you know.
Friends, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you love the beautiful scenery. I hope you have a great work week or a great weekend. We will always see you next time.
Yeah, we'll see you soon, guys. We get back home and got to get a lot of footage edited. Hopefully by the time you see this video, our more videos already out. And you can check out the amazing time we had there. So, summer's here pretty much. Beautiful weather. Everything's green down here and sprouting. So, see you guys soon.